Hi everyone, this is Daisy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, my sharing will be about top dressing. So if you would notice in all my videos, most of my pots are covered with top dressing, which is the black sand. Actually, there are lots of options that you can use as a top dressing. You can use this black sand, which is the one I use in my garden, and you can also use pumice stone, pebbles, which has different colors like brown, white. There are also some rainbow colors of pebbles. You can also use akadama soil if you wanted to. You can also use lava rock, pumice stone. Actually, there are lots of options. Whatever you want as a top dressing, like stones, small stones, you can use it as a top dressing. So, I would share with you today, if you would notice that I have shared these pots already, but without a top dressing. So, I've decided to make it uniform for all my pots here in my veranda area to put top dressing on it, so it would look nice and clean. So the main reason first that I put top dressing is that I want my pot of succulent or cactus to look so clean and neat. That's why I put top dressing. But the second reason, aside from making my pots of succulents beautiful, the second reason is that it helps the weeds not to grow more faster. So if I have top dressing, which weeds are more lesser compared with a pot that has no top dressing. Second one is that it also prevents the birds to play from my pot on the pot of my succulent, because whenever they see rice hull on my pot of succulents or cactus, they usually play on my pot. So sometimes my succulents are getting uprooted or the roots are getting disturbed because of the birds that are playing with my pots. So to prevent them from playing, I covered the rice hull using the black sand as top dressing. So that's also one of the reasons why I put black sand, aside from making it more beautiful and neat, clean to see, to prevent the weeds from growing. Another one is to prevent the house bird from playing on it. The other reason that I can share is that why do I put up dressing on my pots of succulent is that it also prevents, whenever it rains or when I water them, it also prevents the soil mix to overflow in the pots. So it also helps to keep the soil mix on its spot. And another thing is that it is easy to dry more if you have top dressing like this black sand, and you are not going to get worried that the petals like this that is touching your soil mix will get mushy every time you water, because there's a top dressing which really quickly dry. That's why when you choose your top dressing for your pots of succulents, make sure also that it is easily dry up when you water it. So that's basically the reasons why I put top dressing on my pots of succulents. But to tell you honestly, putting top dressing is also costly. Why? Because of course it's an additional cost for you to add on your budget. So for me, I bought this black sand dressing in Lazada. I have already shared in my previous vlog the name of the store in Lazada, and I will just put it again here in my video. So if ever you cannot find the video where I put it, you can just easily look at it on this video. So I'll be placing the name of the store of the Lazada shopper I buy. So I bought it for 79 pesos per kilo. So I have been using this black sand top dressing for more than 2 years already. So before I was using pumice stone, but pumice stone is not good for me because all my succulents are placed in a rain or shine area. So whenever it's summertime like this, it burns out my succulents, especially the leaves. So that's why I refrain using pumice stone. But there are some other succulent collectors that are using pumice stone as top dressing is very effective for them. But for me, I find the black sand as the more convenient way and more effective for me to use as a top dressing for my pots of succulent. So I am happy with it. So if ever you repot your succulents with this kind of top dressing, you don't have to worry if ever it mixes with your soil mix when you repot it. Why? Because it's like pumice stone is gritty, so it easily dry up. So there's nothing to worry if it has been mixed with your soil mix. So and I can strongly recommend this black sand as a top dressing. So if you would notice while I'm taking the video and explaining things to us, so I'm also cleaning up at the same time my succulents by removing dried leaves at the bottom part. So most of the pots that I have repotted here in my veranda area, I have placed them, most of them black sand on their pots, so they look neat and clean, right? And they look uniform. So this is a cutting, now it's growing roots. I hope you can see. So there, I just place it there. So it's also nice to see when your pots are always same, right? It's pretty nice and clean to look at. So let's just go along. So it's also an update. So the leaves of my succulent is quickly drying now because it's really hot. It's summertime here in the Philippines. It's really hot. Oh, look at this, there's a black spot. So if you see your succulent leaves has like black spot on the leaf, you have to remove it immediately. So they are all have black sand top dressing. So excuse me for the noise. The vehicles are passing by. So the topmost part of my veranda has already all black sand top dressing. as you can see it in the video. So I have lots of dried leaves to remove, so I'll just be back late in the afternoon if I have time to remove the dried leaves, because it's really hot. I can take the heat. It's burning my skin. So, and also the one that I have vlogged last Monday, they are covered all with black sand. So I'm not yet watering them. I forgot to water them, just like what I have said in my vlog. So maybe this afternoon, if I could remember, I will be watering them. So it's pretty clean and nice to see when it has black sand, but also it has all other purpose aside from having it more beautiful and nice and neat and clean to look at. So I will be sharing also the flowers of my variegated Gymnocalcium, but it is located in my garage area. So enjoy the video or the beauty of the flowers of my variegated Gymnocalcium. So that's all my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like my video if you do like it, and share if you know somebody else who likes this kind of plants, especially succulents and cactus. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. See you on Friday. Bye bye guys. God bless us all. Bye bye.